Letitia's Third Eye POV. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the channel. And thank you for watching.
Let's talk about three different categories of demands on how we should live: ethics, morality, and law.
Right is right and wrong is wrong.
Georgia, 16 is legal. Again, do I agree with their laws? No. Do I agree with a lot of laws? It's a lot of laws that we don't agree with, but we follow them, right?
Laws are formal rules that govern how we behave as members of a society.
On the continent of Africa, older men sleep with multiple younger women.
I have no problem laying these hands. Try Jesus, don't try me, cause I throw hands.
A heirloom. Have you all heard that word? Heirloom?
Yeah, I have heirloom.
And so when these laws in America apply to certain oppressed individuals and not others, because clearly Elvis was married to an underage woman. Young girl.
You didn't say that.
They specify what we must do, and more frequently, what we must not do. They're upheld and applied by the state and the court system. And their role is to create a basic, enforceable standard of behaviour.
So when we say it's illegal and we come from Africa, yes, we're under the laws of the United States and we must follow Caesar's laws. Whose laws were they following in Africa?
But the law has a much narrower focus than either morality or ethics. Laws can be just or unjust and are subject to ethical assessment. Plus, there are some matters about which the law will be silent, but where morality and ethics have a lot to say.
Because I'm just going to say men, some men, not all, have this innate desire, in my opinion, with women of all ages.
Tell me you did not just say that.
At one time, and in certain countries, it's still legal.
Morality refers to an informal framework of values, principles, beliefs, customs, and ways of living.
I'll not forget that your grandparents and parents were married off young age, 12, 13, was having babies at 12, 13, 14. Y'all must forget.
Today, we're talking about when the brain is fully developed and mature. There are many markers on brain maturity, but the general consensus seems to be around age 25. It seems to be that the myelination that occurs in the brain is the final step of maturation to make an adult brain.
Moralities aren't usually enforced by the state, but there are often social pressures to conform to moral norms.
Underage, and I was in the military. My mother had to sign for me. And then I was shipped overseas. And I'm going to let you all know, because Elvis met Priscilla overseas.
Some people consider themselves to be so strongly bound by certain moral codes that even to question the moral system would be wrong.
What you all are witnessing in the United States ain't half of what United States Army soldiers and military folks are doing overseas.
Overseas, yeah.
Basic ethical questions like, how should I live and what should I do?
There are nude beaches overseas. Ain't nobody walking around with no clothes on.
People inherit their morality from their family, community, or culture. It's rare for someone to shop around for the morality that most closely fits their personal beliefs. Usually, the process of moral formation is unconscious.
Nude beaches, underage marriages.
What sets morality apart from ethics is that you can apply a morality as a matter of habit without having to think. You can simply obey or follow instructions from those who claim moral authority within a particular tradition.
All of this, multiple wives, all of this is overseas.
Are what give us a sense of what's good, right, and meaningful in our lives.
we're here. Her parents were not there. She was in the foster care system already since she was 12 or 13. Then she got emancipated by the state. So now she really grown, whether she grown in body form or not, based off the state, she's grown.
Fuck your loss, ain't got no boss. Ay.
She already done been talking to older men way before she even was talking to Ears. She already was out there being a dancer, like all this. So it's like they're blaming him for everything when it seemed like she was in control of her own life.
I am what's known on the streets as a victim blamer.
They serve as a reference point for all the possible courses of action we could choose. On this definition, an ethical decision is one based on conscious reflection and which gives effect to our values, principles and purpose in pursuit of a proper goal.
Right now, all these laws getting passed right under your nose, but they gonna be able to sleep with your 12-year-old daughter or son, and you ain't gonna be able to do nothing about it.
You can fuck around and find out.
Y'all sub up to Letitia too, cause she be dropping that real shit.
Yeah, shout out to Leticia.
Leticia, third eye POV. Bless up. I'm talking about you putting in the work.
Letitia's third eye point of view.
Shout out Leticia.
Oh yeah, especially my sister Leticia, boy. She's already here.
I'm about to shout out Leticia. Now you're gonna feel it to Leticia's quick hand. Shout out to Leticia, y'all. Those editing skills are very sharp. I'm loving it. Subscribe to her channel.
Leticia's be getting them.
Yeah, Leticia page is hot. Leticia page is lit.
Go sub up to Leticia. So show the sister some support.
Yo, definitely sub up to Leticia, third eye POV. Facts. Make sure y'all sub up.